Sneha, what are you doing?
I'm blogging.
What is that?
We'll ask Ripu, the blog man of India. Ripu, tell them about what we've been doing here.
Well, we've been plogging, which is a mashup of pick up while jogging. Very fancy word, but अगर हिंदी में हम बोलें तो उसको हम कूड़ा कसरत बोलते हैं.
तो इसमें हम कसरत करते हैं और सफाई भी करते हैं साथ
बिल्कुल,
में.
तो आपकी बॉडी की भी कसरत हो गई और एनवायरनमेंट भी साफ हो गया.
Running is very important. Running has been your passion. Tell us how this passion for running started and then how the passion for picking up kuda started.
So I've been a sports person all my life. So I've been running, playing a lot of sport. और 2016 की बात है, after like a gap of 4-5 years, I started running again because मेरे को एक hamstring injury हो गई थी. Plus life had taken over, plus corporate life. But I was running a race every day. Even then, when I was not running, I was running the proverbial corporate rat race.
Absolutely.
So वहाँ से फिर जब मैंने 2016 में running start किया, यहीं पे दिल्ली में, तो सुबह लोग कम होते हैं, ट्रैफिक नहीं होता, तो चीज़ जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा दिखती थी वो था कूड़ा, trash and plastic.
Okay.
So I started picking up, and with my friends, they joined in. Or because all of my friends were also runners, so we were running and picking up litter.
Oh, that's awesome. So it's become a movement of sorts. Just show us what you do and how you do it.
Sure.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So Ripu, tell us, when did this vlogging thing start?
2016 for me.
Okay.
I was running and started picking up.
Yeah.
And my friends like yourself, they joined in.
हाँ.
और क्योंकि हम सारे रनर्स थे,
हाँ.
तो हम कचरा उठाते उठाते रन करते हुए कचरा उठा रहे थे.
अच्छा.
So that is why it became very organically a eco-fitness movement.
Very nice. उसके बाद में, you also got a call from the Prime Minister.
जी.
Tell us, did that feel like a prank call firstly to begin with?
It
Do
did.
you think somebody is playing games with you?
I mean, of course, right? I mean, randomly you get a call out of the blue. And somebody says, I am the Prime Minister of the country. आप क्या सोचोगे?
मैं सोचूंगी कोई मेरा बेवकूफ बना रहा है.
तो आपको कॉल आया, नमस्ते जी, मैं नरेंद्र मोदी बोल रहा हूँ. क्या सोचोगे आप?
Okay, so what did he tell you? Tell us about that conversation.
So that's how it happened. So he reached out. He said, Namaste Ripudaman ji, मैं नरेंद्र मोदी बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी.
And I was like, are you for real? And then वहाँ से कोई reply नहीं आया for 10 seconds. So I took a leap of faith कि हाँ ये Prime Minister ही होंगे. और वहाँ से फिर 15-20 minutes का conversation हुआ. And the biggest thing for me was, he said, the government of India wants to do it with you. The entire country wants to do it with you. And October 2nd, 2019, जो कि 150वीं गांधी जयंती थी, the entire country will join you on this mission. And मैंने ये mission start किया था 2016 में, ये सोच के with Gandhiji's words that everyone needs to be their own scavenger. 3 years later, on his Jayanti, the entire country joined us. 40 lakh people participated just on that day. For me, life came a full circle.
Awesome. Let's go. So, Ripu, you're giving us 2 important messages today. बताइए.
So, पहला तो है health को लेकर. I think हम सबको health is not a choice. It's your lifestyle. Everything from the time you wake up to the time you sleep, you should be mindful of your health. और अगर हमें देश आगे बढ़ाना है, अपना परिवार आगे बढ़ाना है, तो हमें health को definitely to the best of our abilities prioritize करना है.
और दूसरा important message?
Waste.
Yes.
I think अगर हम सुबह उठ के हेल्थ इंप्रूव कर लेंगे ना और नेचर से थोड़ा कनेक्शन कर लेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली हम इस बारे में माइंडफुल हो जाएंगे कि हम क्या कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं और किस चीज़ में कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं. और जैसा कि मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले सुना कि जो भी प्लास्टिक में आता है, प्लास्टिक रैपर में आता है, अगर वो हम कंज्यूम करना बंद कर दें या कम कर दें, ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा हेल्थ भी इंप्रूव हो जाएगी और हमारा वेस्ट भी कम हो जाएगा.
मेरी लाइन्स थी वैसे, बताना ज़रूरी है.